Oh man, they couldn't have been in this joint. Hopefully not. Oh my god. We hustle daily. What's going on, Hustle Nation? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Big Play Ray coming to y'all with another Copart walk around. We about to get right into it. But for all my hustlers, all the new people who coming to the channel, if you a hustler, I need you to do a couple of things. And if you already subscribed to the channel, I need you to do a couple of things for me too. Let's go over the list. All right, I need y'all to like the video, leave a comment, let me know how y'all think the content is. Right, I want y'all to leave a comment. Subscribe if you haven't already. Remember, I told y'all, the new people, I want y'all to subscribe, right? If you a real hustler. If you ain't, like I keep telling y'all, just go on somewhere. Maybe it's another channel out there for you, over there somewhere. But, you're not welcome over here. You know what I'm saying? We don't need no haters over here. You know what I'm saying? We don't need no beggars over here. You know what I mean? We need some hard workers. We need some hustlers over here. You know what I'm saying? So if that fits your category, you in that category, I need you to subscribe, hit that notification bell. That's what a true Hustle Nation at. Y'all to hit the notification bell. Y'all getting updated when your boy upload a video. Y'all little bell, that thing say all. You feel me? Make sure y'all follow me on the gram, wehustledaily.co, and make sure the most important thing I want you to do before you try to go to any auction, right? Now, a lot of people been getting on the side of the road. I've been hearing William been selling y'all a lot of lemons, on Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, on OfferUp, on Craigslist, on what's the other one I meant? I meant those three. You know what I'm saying? Car Gurus, all that. It's some Williams out there everywhere. I hear he been selling y'all a lot of big boy lemons, right? Y'all don't know what y'all think. Y'all don't know what y'all doing. Y'all think y'all can use a scanner and all that, but y'all really don't know how to use a scanner. You know what I'm saying? Y'all really don't know how to use a scanner. Y'all don't. Trust me. I'm going to show you everything you need to know. Do not try to go to the auction and buy a car without going to wehustledaily.com. And do not try to buy a car from William, because William going to clear that light on you, all right? William going to put some Blue Devil in your car. I'm trying to tell you, so don't, all right? Let's get right into it, though. Y'all know I've showed y'all the Ferrari and everything. You can just look in here again. Got that orange in that thing, you know what I mean? Oh my gosh, you got all this stuff in here you can barely see, but this interior is disgusting though. That interior is nasty, gang. And then they got the Z71. This is definitely new. Oh, damn. This ain't been in here at all. Got the back bumper damage. Got some front bumper damage. Ooh. Got the carbon fiber on the hood. Got the supercharger on the motor. This is 2013. I think this is one of the best looking Camaros that they made, this body style, to me personally. What y'all think though? They could have did better on the seats, I feel though. They could have did better on the seats. Carbon fiber shift knob. I don't know, I just feel they could have did a little better. Z01 on the steering wheel. That's just how I feel. That's how I feel. Y'all let me know in the comments below. What's up, Hustle Nation? This video has been sponsored to you by wehustledaily.com, the online course that's going to teach you everything you need to know about the auction game, all my tips on how to properly inspect cars, and most importantly, how to make money. As you can see, I've been doing this for a while, and as you can also see, I have plenty of testimonials on how I've helped others gain success in this business. So if you're interested in learning, be sure to click the link in the description below. Yep. There's another one, man. We got a SRT. Supercharge me. Like Mr. Organic. We got the Brembro. Them Brembros look small. Well, I guess it's the big boy Brembro. It's supposed to be up front, right? Yep. We got a Hellcat. Now, I can't say that this Hellcat is this dude's fault or girl's fault. I don't know. You never know who was driving it, but oh, they got the little in there, but because I don't see no damage, so why is it here, right? 2018 Dodge Challenger Hellcat, 25,000 miles. Key is in the office. Low fuel. Yep, you ain't about to be starting this thing up. That's the first time I've seen a key in the office at Copart. It's the very first time I see them hold a key. Well, nah. Well, for it to be over here, I have. Just the little sales pad place. So, check him out. Check him out. Get y'all the full perspective. We got the all black leather with the SRT steering wheel. Man, they was smoking, boy. They was smoking. But you know, pretty plain for the Challengers, y'all. Pretty plain, you know. It's pretty plain in here, y'all. Gave y'all the sunroof. Let's look at what we really want to see. I mean, you know, these is cool. These is cool, but they definitely could have did more with the interior. I think we all could agree. So you see some little damage right there, and they got some circles and stuff all over the car, but it's nothing like too serious. There it is, man. Supercharged Hemi, boy. Too bad I can't crank it up for y'all, let y'all hear how it sound. But you can see the little marks they got. I'm not sure if they salvaged it out because of this, like that little scratch. That little scratch there. That little scratch there. They got a little scratch here. Right there. Right there. They even did a show where the tires got a scratch at. I don't think this was for sale yet though. I got this. Yeah, man, so I can't tell y'all need to slow down on this one because this might not be dude's fault right here. I just don't know, maybe hail damage, or I'm not sure what they probably salvaged this thing out for. But you can see the little scratches right here, right there. So y'all know why this thing was salvaged out? Y'all let me know in the comments below. Got that Hellcat though. Let's keep moving and grooving. All right, here's my chance to get on you Mopar, guys. Now this probably is definitely his fault. Got hit in the front. Look at the bumper. Look at the goddamn on bumper. Nice little burgundy color it got on here, right? 392. We could definitely see where this damage is. They got this thing all marked up too, as far as along the car. Circle, 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 green circle, 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 circle. We got circles everywhere. Scat pack. Scatty. Man, y'all need to slow down in these things, man. Let's see what this interior looking like. Same, but this one is the cloth. Smells kind of funny in this one. Smells a little funny in this one right here. What's that little thing down there? But 52,000 miles on this one. It's got the cloth seat, Scat Pack emblem. Don't give you a sunroof. They was drinking some little, what you call it. See, it's just, you know, it's just plain Jane in this thing. This one I actually think is gonna crank up. So I may do y'all the honors and crank that up for y'all. But as you can see, there's damage there. It may just be the bumper. I don't see probably any frame damage or nothing, I don't think. SRT. They got the 6.4. Yeah, so, man, you see the fender's a little messed up on this side, but that's pretty much it. I don't know, y'all. This one actually may... No power, y'all. Nope. No power for us. We can't crank it up. Car sizzling, ain't it? All right, unfortunately, come on, turn off, dude. Say run. But the battery dead anyway. But y'all see it, man. What y'all think about this color though? That color straight or what? Y'all let me know in the comments. But I think I like it though. Y'all let me know. Let's keep moving. All right, we got a Mozzie. We got the Mozzie on deck, all white. All white with the white guts. Oh, we got the damage though. Let's see. Okay. So the whole little back little rump bumper ram. And they ain't just got this not too long ago, didn't they? What y'all think about the Mozzie truck? Give you a kind of bigger roof, long roof. They get a big roof, okay. Got the interior like creamish cream, okay. Okay. Got the little silver around the ring, okay. Got your parts. Let's look at that front. Again, I be liking cars that don't be having a little piece right here around the glass. They got the glass. I kind of like that. But as you can see, we got the interior. Okay. We got the floor. We got the glove box. We got the center console. Okay, little center console. All right. Nothing in there. All right. Okay, give you a little console package right here. Levante. And then you got the steering wheel, which the gauges looks all right. 190 on the miles. I mean, 190 on the dash. What year is this? This is a 2020 joint. So they just, somebody hit them and messed their 2020 right on up, huh? Such a shame, dog. Such a freaking shame. What y'all think about the Mozzie though? Let me know in the comments below. But while we're right here, we might as well check this Nissan R out, because you definitely don't see these often. I don't be seeing these. This is the Nissan Altima R. This might look hard too. I like the wheels too. That joint look nice on that red. These are, I think, pretty rare here. You don't see these often. I don't. Look at the front. Hold up. Is this the V6? Oh, my wrist, y'all. It's crazy. You could have something, you know, hurt something from like freaking 10 years ago, and it still hurts if you move it a certain way. That's crazy. So they tried to put another fender on here. Don't necessarily color match, but we got that black interior. They give you the 3.5. I like the seats. They killed it on the seats. You know what I'm saying? Nissan, they gave you the seats, but everything else is pretty much the same as another Altima. I think the gauges are even pretty much the same. And this is definitely different. I'm not sure if this is factory. I don't think it is. Ooh, got the shades on for you. Okay, y'all see it. Boom. This is the R. Stop playing with it. But definitely, I like the wheels more than anything. What size are these? Oh, sorry. I think these are like 18s or something. Yep, 18s. Wheels look nice on it though. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it though in the comments below. And you see the duals on the back. All right, just wanted to re-show y'all this. I know I showed y'all this before, but just want to show y'all again, because this is what's gonna happen if you don't be driving these cars like you got some freaking sense, man. Come on, dog. Y'all gotta just chill out. This a wide body, by the way. Was a wide body Hellcat. I showed y'all this before, but you know, just gotta show y'all again, man. Just gotta show y'all again. I don't know if this, yeah, it didn't lift up. Y'all see the hips on it. Y'all see the glass on it. What the heck? Y'all see the inside on it. You see the hips on it? You see the glass on it? You see the ass on it? Man, make sure y'all slow y'all asses down. For real, man. That's crazy, man. Let's keep it moving, though. Dang. Well, this one is definitely new. I said something about the, what you call it over there? A Challenger, but look at this M. Oh, my God. This is way worse. I think so. Dang. Got a big boy V8 in there. Dang. Oh, my God. They couldn't have been in this car, bro. Jeez Louise. And like I say, oh yeah, I already said that already. I'm tripping. But damn, I can't even. This is, oh my God, Lord have mercy. Look at the key on it. Like, oh man, they couldn't have been in this joint. Hopefully not. Oh my God. Going crazy in the M. In the 6 Series M, in the M6. Going crazy in it. God dang. Boy, y'all, make sure y'all slow down, boy. These cars are nice, but they also could be deadly, dog. So y'all make sure y'all be careful, bro. That's new too. That's new. That hadn't been out here. Damn. So, man, y'all make sure y'all slow down. Y'all make sure y'all be safe, bro. Cause, man, I'll be looking at some of these accidents in here, especially the Chargers and the Challengers, man. Like, they be in here. So, you know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all be safe out there. Make sure y'all drive safe. You know, there's other people on the road too. You feel me? Like this, probably something fell on this. I know I showed y'all this before, but you know, something definitely like probably fell on this joint. That's why this looked like that. You see how it is? Like something definitely fell on it. It's like a Silverado. But all right, guys. See what else I can find else good for y'all. All right, guys. So I went through a couple of cars. A lot of them didn't crank up. Y'all didn't miss nothing, but my mans was over there doing inventory about where the cars was at, and he was, you down with OPP? Yeah, you know me. You know what I'm saying? And we can't get copyrighted. You feel me? So I had to not turn the camera on to check those cars out because I was too close to him, and he was jamming. Boy, he doing inventory, and he jamming. But we got a Mercury. I think it's a something. What is this called? Thing called? I almost called it a Mercury Mountaineer. Villinger. Oh, that's what it's called? I didn't know it's called a Villinger. Come on, man. But like I said, y'all didn't miss nothing, man. The cars ain't crank up. It's nothing. Oh, my God. And I guess I can go ahead and say this. Why don't you keep the jump box, Ray? Man, I be having to answer this question so many times, bro. Ray, why don't you keep the jump box? All right, if y'all tuning in right now, I'm just going to tell y'all again, bro. I got to keep telling y'all this, but I'm going to explain this again for y'all. All right, y'all ready? Listen, I do not keep a jump box. I do not jump cars if the power... That's why y'all need to go to wehustledaily.com. But if y'all made it to this part of the video, I'm going to just give y'all a little game. Y'all probably done heard me say this before, but let me tell you again. And some of y'all, y'all probably don't even know what the hell I'm talking about, trying to explain something to y'all, but I'm going to explain it the best way I can. When the car is completely dead with no power, right? Let's just say the car had a like I don't buy misfire codes, right? I ain't about to buy no transmission code, right? So let's just say the car had a transmission code, right? Boom. The battery dies on the car, right? So say the battery dies, so the battery's dead, like just like this one. Let's just say I go get the jump box, I crank this car up, right? The check engine light's not going to come on automatic, like, right? The car have to go through a drive cycle. You have to drive the car, and then the check engine light's going to come on, right? So I done checked the car out. You're not able to drive at Copart. You know that, right? So you're not able to drive at Copart. I'm riding. I'm checking the car. I'm doing all my wehustledaily.com tricks and tips, right? But I'm not going to be able to tell if the check engine light is on because guess what? The car was dead. So now when I bought a car and I'm driving down the street and I'm almost on my way home, because y'all know how I like to do it. I'm not towing nothing, right? I'm driving down the street. The transmission code pop on. Now what I'm going to do? Get a new transmission? That's why I do not crank the cars. I hope y'all understand this. If that goes over y'all head, then it is what it is. If you say it's worth the risk for you, then it's worth the risk for you. I'm not doing it. There may not be no check engine light on this car. I don't know. Shit. And I ain't gonna find out either. I don't care to find out. You feel me? I'd rather be safe than sorry. So I hope I answered everybody's question. You feel me? So yeah, man. No power in this thing though. So I hope y'all got that concept, man. So I'm gonna go on and wrap this video up though. Ain't nothing else in here, man. So shout out to the whole Hustle Nation. Make sure y'all go to wehustledaily.com. You wouldn't even be asking me no shit like that. You know what I'm saying? If you knew everything I knew. Shout out to the whole Hustle Nation. Appreciate y'all, man. It's your boy Ray. Big Play Ray. Just put y'all up on a little bit more game today. You want the rest, you're gonna have to go to wehustledaily.com. Peace.
Subscribe.
Yes, sir.
We're getting it in the pandemic.
You already know, man.
We don't give a damn about no depression, recession. We're gonna make it happen.
You already know, man.